The Firehawk 9005 H11 LED Combo Kit is equipped with the latest Japanese LED chips, delivering an impressive 50,000 lumens for superior brightness and enhanced night vision. These bulbs promise longevity with an advanced cooling system that includes aviation aluminum heat sinks and a 12,000 revolutions per minute silent turbofan, ensuring they last significantly longer than traditional halogen bulbs. Installation is a breeze thanks to the one-to-one halogen design and plug-and-play feature, making it easy to fit the bulbs into your vehicle's light housing without any hassle. This all-in-one kit includes a built-in Canbus driver and provides a 0-second turn-on time, ensuring optimal performance in a compact form that fits perfectly in your light housing. The Firehawk bulbs are IP68 waterproof and anti-radio interference, capable of operating efficiently in extreme temperatures ranging from -45 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. With comprehensive customer support available 24/7 and an assurance of quality, Firehawk stands behind their product, offering assistance for any installation or compatibility questions.